back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious, refreshing ginger lemonade. Perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients, of course, water, ginger, lemons, granulated sugar. If you don't want to add granulated sugar, you could replace it with agave. You could replace it with honey and a pinch of salt. This is everything we need to refresh ourselves with this delicious and refreshing ginger lemonade. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the granulated sugar. Of course, you could replace it with honey or agave. I have a cup of water and I have my beautiful jar that's going to go right on the top of the stove top. Well, here I'm going to add my granulated sugar. Remember, when you make your simple syrup, you are actually using less sugar than if you just use the granulated sugar straight, just the way it is. Well, now from here, let's take it to the stove. I'm going to put it on the stove for just a couple minutes. It really doesn't take too long. When the sugar starts dissolving, the water starts getting a little cloudy, and then when you less expect it, it's completely clear with a little bit of hint of yellow. Look at this. It's already boiling, and this is exactly how you want it. You want to make sure that there is still no any little pieces of granulated sugar. Once this is done, well, then just turn off the stove, put it aside, so when you need it, it's at room temperature. So here I'm just going to turn it off, put it aside, and continue with my lemons and my ginger. I have the lemons here and I have a large piece of ginger, and I'm going to go ahead and rinse it really good through running water. You know that this part is very important. Always rinse your fruit and your veggies. Once this is done, it really doesn't take too long. And now I'm going to use this little tool and my knife to start slicing away and obtaining all the delicious juice of the lemon. These lemons are organics. They come from my sister Yolanda's house. But let me show you, they have a lot of juice. My mouth is already watering. I can't wait to enjoy this amazing lemonade. Of course, I'm not planning to leave any juice behind. Look at this. With this little tool, you really take out all the delicious juice. And I have about 1 cup of lemon juice. I'm going to put it aside, and I want to continue with my ginger. I have the ginger here. I'm just going to be scraping the skin off so I don't take off none of the pulp. Look at this. You want to just scrape it off just like that. But remember, try to do it slow so that you don't remove none of the pulp out. Once this is done, I am ready to cut it, chop it in little pieces so I could put it in my blender cup. This blender cup, I only use it for my lemonades. I don't add anything like salsas into this cup. This cup is specially for my lemonades. I am the queen of the lemonade, so I gotta have my blender just for lemonades. Okay, I'm adding my simple syrup. I'm adding my pinch of salt. And now let's blend it away. And it really doesn't take too long. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and put it through a sifter. I don't want to get none of those fibers of the ginger into my lemonade. So I'm just going to go ahead, put it through the sifter, making sure that all that fiber stays behind. Okay, now I'm going to add the rest, and to this I'm going to add my lemon juice. The lemons had a lot of seeds, so that's why I'm putting it through a sifter. Okay, this I'm going to discard, and now I am ready to just taste it and add a little bit of water. It tastes amazing. Okay, I have one more lemon that I'm gonna slice for the decoration of my pitcher and my glass. I'm gonna make sure that I get all those seeds out. Taking my time, of course. It's so hot here in California that, to tell you the truth, I'm really going to enjoy this delicious and amazing ginger lemonade. I'm adding just some water, and now I am ready to start adding a lot of ice, a lot of slices of lemon into my pitcher. Here I have it. I'm gonna add some in the bottom to decorate it. I'm gonna add a bunch of ice. Remember, you enjoy this amazing lemonade with lots of ice. I love decorating them with the lemon slices. Now I am ready to pour. Look at this. It's so hot that I know that I am going to enjoy it. My family is going to enjoy it. Why go and buy a soft drink when you can make a delicious and refreshing lemonade at home? And of course, you have control of how much sugar your family is intaking. And I have a big glass for myself. I am going to enjoy it slowly, with patience. I can't wait. I am ready for the presentation. I am ready to enjoy it, and I hope you give it a try and you enjoy it with your loved ones. So I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious, refreshing ginger lemonade. I know you guys are going to love it. This is the part I really love and enjoy, is tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Oh my gosh. The ginger flavor, it's intense, but yet it's so delicious. This lemonade is refreshing, perfect for this hot weather. When you make this amazing lemonade at home, you are going to love it. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You enjoy it with your family in this hot weather. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I'll see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.